Hi there, guys. Okay, I'm coming to you with this long awaited video, and I'm showing a few things that I have. I'm starting off with my little nail polish rack, and I think most of the polishes that I have on here are gel polishes. I'm not going through what each one of them are. A lot of them I just got on auction from eBay. So that is that. So it's not too big. It's a little small rack that I have a lot of my polishes on. Okay, now moving on. This is a new nail drill that I got in. It is so cute. It's a little bit heavy. It is kind of heavy, but it is a very powerful drill. I got it from AliExpress. If any of the things that I show that you want the links for or anything, just let me know and I'll put them. I'll send you a link. I also got this from eNail Couture. I got the 4-ounce size. This is the 8-ounce size. It's empty right now because when I was opening the package, I cut the bottle a little bit, and I was afraid that the liquid was going to seep out, the monomer. So I put it into a Mia Secret bottle that I had. I had an empty Mia Secret bottle, and I put it in that. This is my nail drill. No, it did not come with the white handpiece. It came with a black handpiece, but both of them are very much powerful. This one is, I'm going to do a video on my updated video on my handpieces, but if you can see, it's 30,000 RPMs, if this will focus. But like I said, I'm going to do a video on my updated handpieces. So, okay, let's move on. Okay, now I'm over here on the new stand that I purchased so that I could fix up my area with my nail products. And as you can see here, I have a new brush holder for my acrylic brushes. And these are all my number ones in my brushes. I have all of my number ones on this stand. All of them that I currently acrylic brushes. And I have 2 big bottles of Mia Secret that will not fit in my drawer. That's an old, I got a video on this, my old nail drill machine. And here are 2 lamps that I got in recently. I like this one. I got this one on bid because I like it because it's black, different. And I saw a few reviews on this Sun 2.0 lamp right here. Smart 2.0 lamp. And it has all the lights on the inside. From what I understand, it's about 36 lights on the inside. I'm going to use one of these lamps whenever I do my new set of nails. Okay, now let's go and see what is what in these drawers. I'm going to start from the top. These are all of my I know it's kind of hard to see because it's black and it's rainy here, so it's a little but these are all my gels and my acrylic powders, my clear acrylic powders, clear white natural, and my little eNail Couture dish. This is my little crown thing that I showed in a video. I have acetone in that. I got this one in. I don't have anything in that. This is my eNail Couture, the 4-ounce that I got. And some more random stuff in that drawer. Okay, in this drawer, I have little random things. I have my nail files, my Beauty Secret nail files. My sanding bands are in this bag. I also have some color gels and some glitters and some polishes, some OPI wipes, no lint wipes in there. Okay, in this drawer, it's a little bit hard. I'm not going to pull it out too far. These are all of my gel polishes and regular polishes that I have in this drawer that will not fit on that little stand that I showed you in the beginning. So that it's a little bit heavy, so I have to be careful taking that one out because I did overload it a little bit. In this drawer here, I have my jars, you know, my acrylic powder, liquid jars. You can use them for either one. Back here are some acrylic paints that I have back in the back of that drawer. And I bought some of these so I could use them to stir stuff. Down, excuse me, down in this drawer here, I have random stuff. I have my buffers. And these are my little cleanup things. I have a few of these, my little cups that I use. Little drills. And I also have 2 of these in here. So all together I have 3. Some brushes and stuff that I have back there. Up here, I have my nail tips. And, let me see, with another cap. Okay, now, as I said, these are my main, these are all my, my glues. I'm going to have to put that up here because some of them are coming out. I don't know if any more got stuck back there or not. But these are all my main nail tips, my EC baskets, my, I don't even know how to pronounce that, Ejubas. As you can see, these are all the ones that I have in this drawer here. Those are my number ones. These are like glitters and my little jewel, my little rhinestones that I have in here and stuff like that. I have my little box of rhinestones and different stuff. And I have my tools. That's a syringe that I had just in case I want to do a, what you call that? The nail with the water or the oil in it. And this is my pick-me-up tool. I just got this one in. And I have my crystal katana. And I have some cat eye things. So that's basically what's in that drawer. This drawer has my color pops. This has my nail trainer nails. This has my duck feet, my big duck feet nails, like that. This drawer contains my some old hand pieces that I have. I don't know how well you can see them. These are some that I had, and some of them I don't use these anymore, but some of the other ones here I still use them. And also, I know it's hard to see because it's dark, but I have this. Let's see if you can, I can turn it around so you can see it. My little portable, rechargeable nail drill. That in that drawer. Okay, in this drawer I have my hurry-ups, nail glue, dryer. This stuff is wonderful. And I'm going to tell you something. It's not only for any glue that you use on anything. This hurry up, you can use hurry up with that. I mean, anything that you glue and it's hard to keep it together. If you use your like super glue on something, you can use hurry up on anything other than, I know you use it for nail glue, but it will dry other things also. I've tried it around the house, household things. Glitters that I have. Random drawer full of nothing but glitters. This drawer has glitters also, and colored acrylic powders and mixes and stuff like that in that drawer. This drawer has nail tips. And let me tell you the story about these nail tips. Because, let me see if I can show you. From here to over here. See, I have a drawer over here also full of nail tips. The story was, I went to my a local beauty supply store that we have. And here's some more. And at one time, all these colored nail tips were $4.99 a pack. But I guess the colors that they had a hard time selling, they marked them down. First, they marked them down to $1.99. Then when I saw them, they had marked them down to $1 a pack. And these are my hand pieces, my expensive hand pieces, my marathon hand pieces. These are some old lamps that I had. This is a USB port that I use. But anyway, I went to the beauty supply place, and they had them marked down for $1. So the first day I bought about 10 or 12 packs. And then the next day I went back and I said, I want to get some more. So I was going to buy $20 worth of nail tips that day. So I went back and, mind you, they had about, all together in that whole box, they had about 60 or 70 packs of nail tips, colored nail tips. So the guy told me, he said, I tell you what, if you buy the whole box, I'll sell it to you for $30. And I mean, I hurry up and jumped at that deal because, like I said, there was almost over 70 packs of nail tips in that box. And I mean, you know, for $30, that was a good deal. So I couldn't help but, you know, jump on that. Anyway, over here, I'm not getting into this because these are my, I was using these whenever I was doing stamping. Most of these have stamping products, and I have a video of what's in these. And down here, I showed you the first drawer. I'm not going to open it because it has like all my big bags of nail tips and stuff. The second drawer, I showed you the tips that were in there, the colored tips that were in there. And this bag, this drawer, this is all the stamping stuff that I put in there. So that is the end of this video. And like I say, I think I'm going to do an updated on all my hand pieces that I have. And I want to do one on all the nail drills that I have. Some of them, I have them double. And I may not show all of them that I have, but I'll try to do but it's going to be a while on that nail drill one. Because, like I said, some of them are in the closet back there in my husband's little room that he goes in to watch television and stuff. And they're in the closet back there, and it's hard to get to them. So when I can, I will try to do a video on my nail drills. But I'm going to try to do one on my hand piece, an updated one on all my new hand pieces that I have. All right, guys. This is the best I could do with this one. Hope you enjoy it. My little tour of my nail stuff. All right. Have a blessed day. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.